And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:43, and we are starting with a live view courtesy of Sky 5 on South Padre Island. You can see the sunrise out there on the horizon officially at 7:10 this morning. That's when the sun will come up, and then we're expecting a very hot day across the valley. For now, everything is nice and clear out there on the island. Let's go back to the map here, and we'll take a look at temperatures. As you head outdoors for your morning commute or take the kids back to school, here you go. 78 degrees in Weslaco, and 79 for you in Brownsville, 81 in McAllen, and 77 degrees in Harlingen. That west-northwest wind is picking up. It's around 15 miles per hour right now, but look at this. It'll continue to pick up as the day goes on. Right around mid-morning, you'll really start to notice the gustiness. 15 to 20 mile per hour wind speeds can be expected for the majority of the day, possibly even a little bit higher than that. Winds will be gusting up near 30 miles per hour. Now for your day planner forecast, we're calling for partly sunny skies with temperatures rising to the lower 90s by midday, upper 90s for the second half of the day. And that's pretty much where we're going to be for your drive time home. We are calling for a spotty shower, but it's nothing too widespread. The Future Track model indicates that we could see a few passing showers around this morning. I think it's really overcompensating for that amount of moisture that's still flowing into the valley. However, I won't rule out maybe a few showers today, but most of the valley is going to remain dry. Only a few areas will actually be lucky enough to see some of that rain. So around 30% of the valley will get a shower or two today. We're bumping that down back to mainly dry conditions by the middle of the work week. We continue to track the tropics and heavy rain with Harvey. It's still a tropical storm right now, but it's really not the category of the storm. It's more of the impacts that this particular storm is having. You can see that a lot of the heavier rain is now moving into the heel of Louisiana, and just a lot of rain in general to this particular area. We've seen rainfall totals from this past weekend, 25 inches and even more in parts of Houston. Flash flood warnings continue for Houston. Tropical storm warnings extend from just north of Corpus into the Houston area, and there's even been over 150 tornado warnings with this storm alone. So these threats will continue over the next couple of days. Harvey isn't going anywhere anytime soon. This is a very slow moving storm. Even as it goes back out over the Gulf, it looks like it could gain some strength and then kind of whip around again, heading toward that Houston area. The biggest threat at this point is the continued heavy rainfall. We're seeing possibly over 50 inches of rain by the time this system makes its way out of Texas. Now remember, although the forecast track has it going out of Texas, this system is still very large, posing many flooding threats from Houston outward, extending even into Austin and San Antonio, where they could still see 5 to 10 inches of rain. And of course, all that rain threat will also extend into southwestern Louisiana. Take a look here at Future Track rainfalls. And this is just taking us into Wednesday and Thursday, and you see Beaumont headed toward the 24-inch mark. So yeah, this is in addition to what has already fallen, and I think it's underestimating Houston at this point in time. We hope for lower numbers like this, but again, 50+ inches of rain are headed to that particular area. Back here at home, we'll just have a spotty shower or two, but the heat is going to be the big story, that and that gusty northwest wind. So we'll have 99 degrees today and tomorrow. Triple-digit heat returns Wednesday and Thursday. We'll still be in the mid to upper 90s as we head into the weekend with only a 10 or 20% chance for a shower on Saturday and Sunday. Your overnight lows will stay in the mid to upper 70s for the next 7 nights.